I show my humble respect and gratitude to the greatest spiritual leader of Bangladesh, Shaykhul Hadith, spiritual master of Talim-e-Zikir, chief of this great world congregation, Al-Haj Hazrat Maulana Dr. Muhammad Manzul Islam Siddiqui sir. Respect to the people from different professions, distinguished political leaders from different parties, and people of different religion, and my brothers Ashikin, Zakirin and Shakirin, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Here we have assembled because of the dawat, because of the invitation made by our Shaykh Al-Haj Hazrat Maulana Dr. Muhammad Manzul Islam Siddiqui sir. He has called all the people from all over the world to come here and to learn what is Islam and what is shown by the Pir and Mashaykh. My dear brothers and sisters, he has named this great conference as Vishwa Istima. Alhamdulillah. So I want to tell you about the meaning of Istima. What does Istima means? Istima literally means a great world congregation or great conference or a great world meeting. When people gathers in a society, that is termed as social istima or samajik istima. When people gathers in a nationwide, the people from all over the nation comes, then it is national conference or Jatiyo Istima. So when people gathers on the basis of religion, that is we call Dhurimo Istima, but religious Istima. But here, our Shaykh Al-Haj Hazrat Dr. Maulana Muhammad Manzul Islam Siddiqui sir has called the people, irrespective of nationality, irrespective of race, irrespective of color. It means all the people from all over the world is invited here to come and to make self-purification, their happiness in mind and the world peace. My dear brothers and sisters, you may ask one question, that is that there is another Istima which is occurring every year in Tongi near Turak river. Yes, that Istima is also Vishwa Istima. That Istima is Istima of Ilm Shariat. You know the history that Allama Hazrat Ilyas Kandulubi Rahmatul Alayhi, about 85 years back, in 1927, he started the Dawat of Tabligh or Dawat of Islam in Saharanpur village near Uttar Pradesh in India. Since this, regional Istima was going to held everywhere in different places. But in 1946, 1946 সালে, Istima was held in Kakral Masjid at Dhaka city. After separation of India, there were many places, mainly in Bhopal of India, Rhind of Pakistan, and Turak River, Istima was held. But in 1967, when the Pakistan government allocated the land for Istima, since then, Istima is going to held in Tongi. But Alhamdulillah, what is the difference between this Istima and that Istima? Basically, that Istima of Ilm Shariat. But here, our Shaykh has called the Istima, which consists of Ilm Shariat, Ilm Marifat, Ilm Tariqat, Ilm Haqiqat. My respected brothers and sisters, we should know the background of this Istima. You know the renowned Pir Kamil and Mukammil, the great Muslim scientist and philosopher, Al-Haj Hazratul Allama Maulana Professor Azharul Islam Siddiqui Rahmatul Alayhi had established this Talim-e-Zikir in 1965. With the permission and dua from his Shaykh Allah Kutub Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Ishaq Rahmatul Alayhi, he established this Darbar Sharif, Maniganj Darbar Sharif or Talim-e-Zikir. You know, with his modesty, with his gentility, with his politeness, and with the love to all human beings, he started preaching Islam. By dint of his hard work, people started come to the Tariqa of Sister Sabirika. My brothers and sisters, in his first Islamic conference, there was only 8 people in his first Islamic conference. That time there was no electricity, so he had to use the light of hurricane. My brothers and sisters, you wonder now that is starting 8 people has turned to millions of people, alhamdulillah. Because his approach was so attractive, with a unique attitude and totally different scientific and philosophic arguments and presentation, with a high grade of personality and high level of spiritual power. Allah's Hazrat Maulana Muhammad Azhar Islam Siddiqui Rahmatullah had done this type of job. That's why a great number of people had come forward and accepted the tariq of Sister Sabiria. Alhamdulillah. My respected brothers and sisters, in 2000 AD, before he passed away from our vision, about 1 crore people, or to 1 koti manush, accepted the tariq of Sister Sabiria. Now this number of people has increased more than 2 crore or 2 koti urdhe. Alhamdulillah. Respected brothers and sisters, what does Talim-e-Zikr do? Why this Vishwa Ijtima for? I think I have nothing to say, because already you have noticed, you have observed the mass gathering, the huge number of people and its activities. This is the 3rd day of this 3rd Ijtima. Already 2 days have gone. You have already observed. So what are these our Shaykh doing and what are these his activists doing? My brothers, Talim-e-Zikr is open for all people. There is no restriction to any religion, to any nationality or any color or race. All people comes here, even all people from all parties, they come. This is not a political party, or there is no political activities here, but people come from all political parties. Our Shaykh, Alhaj Hazrat Dr. Maulana Muhammad Manzur Islam, is teaching us how the happiness of mind, how the self-purification from non-politeness to polite, from uncivilized to civilized, from illiteracy to literate, how we are becoming. If you notice that every Mashayikh who are coming and making boyan here, they are saying this is the Darbar of Adob. এখানে একমাত্র দরবার যেখানে আদব আছে. I am telling to you one thing that my Shaykh Alhaj Maulana Dr. Muhammad Manzur Islam has told us, that if you like anybody's bayan, you can make bayat with him. But I want to say one thing. I don't want to be murid of any other peer of this country or another country, because the peers and mashayikhs are coming here and making bayat to our peer. Alhamdulillah. So when the peers are making bayat to him, making oath to him, then why we will have to go another place? So my brothers and sisters, this peer is the peer of peers. This Huzur Qibla is the guidance for all the human beings, even all ulama mashayikh. That is what we believe, and I am sure that it is truth. My brothers and sisters, if we try to understand, now I want to tell something regarding those people who are boasted, who are boastful, who are so much glorious. They are thinking, why I should have to go to a peer, because I am a general educated man, I am a doctor, I am an engineer, I am an agriculturist, I am a scientist. So what? If you look at the degrees of our Shaykh, those dunyavi degree he has got already. He has done his masters, he has done MPhil, he has done also PhD, the highest degree of Bangladesh. So in general education, my dear brothers and sisters, I am sorry to say that when you think you are clever or you are maybe very wise than him, please come to him and talk with him for few moments. Sometimes you spend with him. You will see the level of education in him. And those alim, ulama and mashayikh, they don't think that maybe he is not a big Maulana, a great Maulana. They think his Arabic degree is not so much, so why we should go to him? We are bigger than him. Please come to this darbar. and learn what is ilm, what is knowledge, what is amal. Please, my request to all brothers and sisters, those who are generally educated, I am a doctor myself. I did my MBBS in 1991 from Rajshahi University. But when I came here, our present Shaykh Al-Haj Hazrat Dr. Maulana Muhammad Manzul Islam has just explained to me how the zikir goes to all cell of the body. Am I disturbing you, please? আমি কি আপনাকে বিরক্ত করতেছি ভাই? My Shaykh just explained me how the zikir goes to all the cell of the body. You know, the number of cells are just uncountable. So many crores, so many billions. But all the cells are living. All the cells are living. They are not dead cell. And this living cell got zikir. When we make zikir, it goes to our qalb, which is situated in the heart. And from this heart, you know, those who are science educated or doctors, please listen mindfully that the heart pumps the blood from its left ventricle and through the mitral valve, it goes to aorta, and from the aorta, it goes to many arteries, then many capillaries. Through the capillaries, all the cells got pure blood. If we eat sugar, that is carbohydrate type of food, this sugar is made glucose, and this glucose also reaches to the cells. So that is why when our Shaykh explained to me that you make zikir and this zikir will go to all the parts of your body. And after making spiritual training, when you will do some lesson in Sishtiya Sabriya Turika, you will find that all the cells of your body is alive. Alhamdulillah. My respected brothers, the time is just passing on. Those who are above 40 or 50, it is time for them to think. The day is just going on, it never comes back. So we don't know when the time of death will come to us. Before going to the qabr, before going to the graveyard, we should think what will happen to us. Please, just I want to make you one request. Please come to my Shaykh Al-Haj Hazrat Dr. Maulana Muhammad Manzul Islam Siddiqui, who is not the teacher of only ilm shariat, but also the teacher of ilm marifat. I am a doctor. For what? For physical illness. Somebody comes to me with headache, somebody comes to me with fever, somebody comes to me with abdominal pain. I think maybe this organism has got some problem. I give just a treatment. But when we have internal disease, our spiritual disease, where we go? It must need a spiritual teacher. And that teacher is our Shaykh Al-Haj Hazrat Maulana Dr. Muhammad Manzul Islam Siddiqui. So my humble request to all the respected brothers and sisters, not only from Muslims, from all over the religions, and those who don't believe in Allah, also I invite to them, please come to Talim-e-Zikir, come to our Shaykh and learn what is life, what is the success of life. Alhamdulillah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
এবার আমাদের সামনে সংক্ষিপ্তভাবে